Hello everyone, I am Logesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. Friends, this video is very important for all of you. This video is related to top MNC onboarding and new hiring. In this video, we will discuss about the updates of Infosys, TCS, Accenture, as well as Tech Mahindra, ENT&T, ThinkBridge. Like and share the video. Let's start the video. I have updates from different companies and we will talk about the new hiring as well as onboarding. So one of the most important point that I have to mention, apply for latest opportunities on our channel because we are posting different opportunities on everyday basis. Let's discuss about with the Infosys. So one of the most important point that I have to mention for Infosys, as we know, Infosys, there are many candidates that they are from 22-23 batch and they are waiting for onboarding. Infosys just changed the decision pending status on their portal. That is officially a Infosys portal. Okay, Infosys career portal. Like many candidates applied for system engineering opportunity in the May 2022, they applied and the decision is still pending. One of the most important point that I have to mention, Infosys team already mentioned according to their timelines, they are like they will announce the offer letter. Okay, they will announce the joining. Okay, or they will release the joining. So I suggest all of you to, if you are still waiting for Infosys, side by side apply for different opportunities on our channel. Okay, because this is very important point and you have to apply for side by side different opportunities. What about new hiring for 2024 batch? As I already said in my previous video that 2024 batch Hack with Infi on campus is started. We have to wait for on campus off campus hiring. Okay, most probably NFTQ is one of the best and biggest off campus hiring for 24 batch, but still the registration is not started. We have to wait for new hiring. Side by side apply for other opportunities that TCS officially announced the biggest opportunity for all of you, as well as Accenture also sending Accenture also started the sending the congratulation mail. So this is one of the most important point. Okay, so this is very important that let's discuss about our second update, that is a Wipro onboarding. So basically many candidates are waiting for onboarding from 22 batch. They are started the next gen associate fundamental primer pre-skilling program. It is started on 15th April 2024. One of the most important point, as I already said, next gen associate training is one of the initiative by Wipro team. That is a training. Okay, and training is important factor for onboarding. So this is one of the important point. Like they mentioned that greetings from next gen talent team, welcome you to Wipro Next Gen Associate Fundamental Primer program starting 15 April. So already they mentioned that they will declare this is in the phases. Okay, क्योंकि एक मंथ में ही जितने कैंडिडेट्स है सभी को नहीं आएगा, थोड़े थोड़े मंथ में आएगा. जैसे इस मंथ में इतने कैंडिडेट्स को आया, नेक्स्ट मंथ में थोड़े और ज्यादा कैंडिडेट्स को आएगा. ऐसे फेजेस वाइज प्रोसेस चलेगी. न्यू हायरिंग के बारे में मैं कहूंगा, मास हायरिंग इज नॉट अनाउंस्ड फॉर 2023 बैच येट. सो 23 और 24 बैच दोनों की हायरिंग अभी रिमेनिंग है. So totally depends on them according to Wipro onboarding timelines as well as the hiring timelines. Okay, let's talk about ENT&T update. As I already posted this opportunity on our channel and it is a good opportunity. So basically their chief operating officer share me one mail that is related to ENT&T hiring exam. They mentioned that we see that you have uploaded guidance video on the exam and hiring process, and thought I would reach out to you as chief operating officer and share some thought. They mention you can feel free to convey to your audience as you wish. So one of the most important point what they mention they are updating their online test questions. Okay, like question bank should be different. There is no cutoff score to progress to next round. We typically recruit in batches and consider all assignment at time of batch and share a take home assignment of candidate taking into account their performance in the online test as well as our assignment of their education and career work experience. Means they mention that they will consider overall performance. Okay, they will consider the exam performance as well, they will consider the like in home assessment performance as well. और उन्होंने यहाँ पर एक चीज बहुत अच्छे से मेंशन की है कि वो आपका एजुकेशन और करियर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस भी देखेंगे, आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स किस हिसाब से आपने रेज्यूमे अपलोड करा है, क्या स्किल सेट है. ओके, so they mention that like when applying we encourage candidate to set out their career history as education, as we do not actually look at individual CVs but extract, filter and categorize the data in the form of timeline that provide a assessment of a candidate. उन्होंने बोला वो इतना सीवी नहीं देखते बट स्किल सेट तो जरूरी है. ओके सो उनसे उन्होंने मतलब ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स मेरे साथ शेयर किए थे कि किस टाइप से वो कैंडिडेट्स को रिक्रूट करते, क्या सारी चीजें. मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट जो मैंने उनसे पूछी थी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच ENTNT टीम फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. मैंने उनसे पूछा आई हैव वन क्वेरी, कैंडिडेट्स कंप्लीटेड टेक होम असाइनमेंट, व्हाट अबाउट इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल, इट विल बी इन फेजेस और बैचेस. सो व्हाट दे मेंशन, hi online learning team, in terms of current recruitment please note that we are in the process of interviewing and reviewing assessment and conducting interview with some initial offer having been made. मतलब देखो कुछ कैंडिडेट्स को तो इनिशियल ऑफर मिलेंगे, ठीक है, उन्होंने बताया भी है, और जैसे ही सारी चीजें होगी वो प्रोसेस, और वो रिव्यू करेंगे एवरी असाइनमेंट थ्रू आवर एक्सपीरियंस्ड प्रोग्रामर, ठीक है, और वो फाइनलाइज करेंगे और वो ये चेक भी करेंगे कि हिस्ट्री और एजुकेशन हिस्ट्री क्या है, एज मच एज इंफॉर्मेशन पॉसिबल जितनी उनको मिल सकती है. उसके बाद वो क्लेरिफिकेशन देंगे कि क्या सारी चीजें आएगी. तो देखिए अपडेट आ सकता है, ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस पे सारी चीजें मतलब बेसिस रहेगी. ओके डिपेंड रहेगी. नेक्स्ट इज टेक महिंद्रा हायरिंग 22-23 batch hiring is already completed. They already announced the mass hiring for 22-23 batch. Already 5.5 LPA package hiring is already completed. Onboarding and ongoing according to timelines. और एक बात बता दूं, टेक महिंद्रा की हायरिंग हर एक हफ्ते में पोस्ट नहीं होती है, बहुत सारी हायरिंग्स पोस्ट हो रही है. आप दिमाग लगाइए आप किस हायरिंग के लिए एलिजिबल है. आपको टेक में जाना है, आपको नॉन टेक में जाना है, या आपको बीपीओ में जाना है, आप ये डिसाइड कीजिए, उसके बाद हायरिंग में अप्लाई कीजिए. गेम्स क्राफ्ट की 24 बैच की मास हायरिंग थी, ऑलरेडी 15 अप्रैल को एग्जाम हुआ. नेक्स्ट फेज के लिए हमको वेट करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट फेज. ओके दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डिलॉयट की 24 बैच की हायरिंग ओटीएन और एनएलए कंप्लीट हो चुकी है एंड आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी में. बट देयर इज वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, देयर इज अ कूलिंग पीरियड ऑफ 6 months in the Deloitte many hiring. That's why I'm mentioning again and again. Suppose if you are interested for Deloitte first opportunity, okay, and अगर दूसरी अपॉर्चुनिटी आ जाती है नेक्स्ट वीक, तो देखिए कि कौन सी अपॉर्चुनिटी में आपने अप्लाई करा है और क्या कूलिंग पीरियड है. नेक्स्ट इज रिलेटेड टू थिंक ब्रिज. Many candidate ask about what is the think bridge second round pattern. So candidate mentioned there will be 3 question, easy, moderate, hard level. Okay, everyone has to write problem statement on word, problem understanding, algorithm, code snippet. Okay, my question, find the longest consecutive number. Okay, second question was bit of moderate level. एंड द थर्ड क्वेश्चन उन्होंने क्या लिखा है वो समझ नहीं आया, क्वेश्चन था या आंसर था पता नहीं चला. इट वॉज क्वाइट अ लेंथी पैराग्राफ. दे गिव 90 minutes. They need to type in word and then upload it to their drive. Whoever has a good understanding of DSA can easily crack it. So definitely second round आपका कोडिंग से रिलेटेड होने वाला है, 3 क्वेश्चन आने वाले और काफी सारी चीजें. ओके नेक्स्ट इज TCS ऑफिशियली अनाउंस्ड द बिगेस्ट हायरिंग ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग, MBA and BPS. Okay, so don't miss that, apply for that. Accenture start sending the congrats mail. We have to just wait for the examination mail from the Accenture team. Okay, so definitely exam mail आने के बहुत बहुत chances है. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any kind of doubt, let me know. Thanks for watching the video.